Hey, we are at 3030 Marina Villa North in gorgeous Lakeshore Estates in Slidell. Lakeshore Estates is a premier neighborhood here, really close to the Twin Span. If you have to get to New Orleans, it's a quick and easy commute across the Twin Span and I-10. If you have to go further west, it's an easy hop, skip, and a jump, like 20-25 minutes to get to Covington, Mandeville area. This is a gorgeous house. It was remodeled in 2020, 2021. It's 2,600 square feet, just a shade under, 3 beds, 3.5 baths, on navigable water, gated neighborhood. Let's go see the inside. As we're coming up, just see the front doors, right? They're glass. This is just modern. This house is modern, it's updated, yet there's a real timeless feel to the whole look. The colors are neutral, but warm and definitely what is in style. But the timelessness of it just feels like it's always going to be in style. You'll see that when you come visit. So walking in, first and foremost, you can see just your water view out there, just all the light that's coming in. Here's the kitchen, quartz counters, under cabinet lighting, and these are all soft close cabinets. Notice how they're double stacked, and you have this island. Look at the size of the dining area. It's big, so you don't need the formal dining room breakfast area. You just have the one dining area, perfect location, gorgeous view, and you can sit. Well, golly, that's 10 people right there. So plenty of room. That little whir you hear in the background, that's gonna be the washing machine. Double-sided fireplace, gas. Notice the updated light fixtures. And plenty of recessed lighting. Now, coming back up to the front, here is the first bedroom. Okay, it has beautiful carpet. And again, notice the natural light in this room. And bathroom. 2 vanities, tub shower combo. So I came back around from that front bedroom. Over here is the master suite. And this, I love the kitchen. I love the look of that. I love this suite. So immediately to your right, you have this. This is what you get to wake up to every day. Look at that. Obviously, the owner's using it like this, right? They have morning prayer time, they have coffee, they have time to just sit and watch the birds. You saw the bird just flying through there? It's awesome. And that's the view. So the area, we're going to go into the backyard in a little bit, but this is a canal that runs out to Lake Pontchartrain. And all the boating, all the jet skiing you could possibly enjoy. Okay. You're going to see shelving, custom all the closets have custom wood shelving. They're gorgeous. That was just a peek into one of the master closets here. Notice how the updates are even brought in here. See the newer tile and the tile accents as well. Corner jetted tub. Separate shower, like a little potty corner as I call it. That's the other closet. One thing I just want to point out, notice, like, we're talking about updates, lights, plumbing, all that. Notice the updated door hardware. That goes throughout. Not just the knobs, but the hinges as well. So I'm going to start pointing it out. Everywhere we go, you're going to start seeing just the gorgeous door hardware. And it's all uniform, right? It's all uniform. Everything flows nicely. The colors it's just so warm and inviting in this home. So this is the whole downstairs. Through here, a couple things we didn't touch on. That's the kitchen pantry. I will just open it up. So, see the shelving? Then you have this kind of linen broom closet. And then that's where Harry Potter lives. That's under the stairs. And here's your utility room. All right, folding table, utility sink. Notice they brought more updated cabinetry in here as well. It even has its own light. And then this is the garage. All right, quick and easy look in. Side load garage. Good size, deep space. Notice stairs going down. The house is raised. We haven't in any flood. There is no flood history with this house. The flood insurance is actually incredibly affordable. It's $1,200 plus a little bit. It's under $1,300 a year, which for flood insurance is a steal. So buy the house just for that reason. And let's go check up the upstairs. So here we are upstairs. This is loft. We call it just an open air suite. So they have it set up just for entertaining or lounging purposes. Also space for an office and sleeping arrangements. It has its own full bath. And of course, that's been updated. Notice the vinyl plank floors up here. Tub shower combo. And yes, this closet walk-in also has the custom shelving. Plenty of storage space. This is the walk-in attic. So if you really wanted to make an extra room out of the house, make it a 4-bedroom, here it is. Because this is all storage. And then you could still have enough space down there to still have attic space, but you could easily turn this into a 4th bedroom just by closing the sheetrock, adding an AC duct. You have bathroom right there. You got room for a closet, or you can share this one in the hall. And here's another just priceless view. Right, you come out, you have your own balcony. Right? Take a look at that. Just another spot to have coffee, quiet time. Like, I'm just enjoying listening to the birds chirp. So I just came out to the patio. We are at the back door. Inside, out here. So I mentioned a half bath. This is the half bath. So you've got a little half bath area in there. This is great if you ever want to build a pool out here, or you're just on the water and you're just coming in, gardening, being on the water, whatever it is, you've got your own bathroom. And so bathroom to clean up. Here's the rear view. There's your patio. And this is the dock. So what this is a Trex stairs. This belongs to this property. And this is so interesting. In Lakeshore Estates, this is the only area in Lakeshore that has its own concrete boardwalk. This is what this is. So you have the bulkhead. Okay, here's your bulkhead. This is a concrete boardwalk that you've got over here. Okay, and here's it bulkheaded again. So you've got this step down setup. And you can tie off your boat right here. No problem. Okay, easy peasy. So if you want to build like a covered boathouse with lift and everything like that, you certainly are able to, obviously, because a lot of people around here have that, but yet you don't need to, and you can still park your boat because you've got this set up. And there is a fish jumping out. So the birds and the fish, they've timed it perfectly for this video. So I'm so happy, grateful for them, and grateful for you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Come check out the house. You can see there's gutters all around, which is always a nice thing in Southeast Louisiana. Come check it out. If you have an agent, let them know you want to see it. If you don't have an agent, let us know you want to see it. We are happy to show it to you because this is a fun house. This is a beautiful house, and we love what we do. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.